Hello and happy Monday, everybody. It is Lindsay here with another unboxing for you tonight. If you're new to my channel, I'm a part-time reseller here on YouTube and also Poshmark and The Real, and I post mystery unboxing videos on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. If you do enjoy that type of content, I would love to have you subscribe. It is free. And as you're coming in, if you could give the video a thumbs up, it really helps out my channel. I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Last week I did some jewelry, and this week I am going to do a purse unboxing for tonight. And on Thursday we're going to do a fun box. And then next week I will likely have some more jewelry for you. I do have a couple 5-pound jewelry bags from America's Thrift Supply that I want to get open, so I may do one of those. I did try to pick up a Goodwill Blue box this past Friday, but I missed out on them. They do sell out so incredibly fast. And speaking of rare and hard to get boxes, I do have one from Thredup today. And this is the elusive Coach box. These used to be readily available, but as of late, they're very difficult to get. However, they have been pretty amazing, the ones that I've seen. I did pick up one, I believe last week, and this one is an older one I had in my stash. So while I'm waiting for that new one to come, I thought I would open this one. And it did come in the smaller box, and it's fairly lightweight. So let's see if there's an invoice in here, and we can look back at when I ordered it. I will be putting prices on the screen. If there's anything you're interested in purchasing from me directly, just send me an email. Make sure you include your mailing address if you're a first-time customer. I do need that so I can get you out a PayPal invoice. And just a reminder, I do not keep invoices open more than 24 hours. So if you did request something, make sure you're on the lookout for the invoice. This was ordered actually very recently, March 24th. So I didn't realize I got one of these that soon, but I guess maybe I have an older one too in my pile. But these do run $100 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. You get 4 purses and 1 accessory. And I do believe we may have a vintage Coach. And most of the boxes I have open within the last year or so have all had a vintage Coach. So that's fantastic. Let me take a thumbnail and then we'll get started. Right, so we'll take a look at that one first. And it's super lightweight, a very cute style. Now this one might not be super vintage. It's in excellent condition. Very soft material, but it's not the same as like some of the older vintage ones that I've received. And it has gunmetal hardware with a turn lock, and it does say Coach on the hardware. And then you do have a little front pocket there, and it can be carried top handle, or you do have a longer adjustable strap. So I do think you could wear this one crossbody. Right now it is set at the shortest length, but it can go longer. And then it does have a zip closure. And yeah, I think this one is a newer bag. It is a factory purse. The number is F11785. And you do have the creed in there. There's a back pocket and then a little slip pocket on this side. And it looks like the interior slip pocket does have some peeling along the edge of it. And also on the back pocket, it is peeling just a little bit on that leather trim. So I'm going to need to look this one over, and I will check out some comps and put a price on the screen. It is marked Coach on the side there, and then you also have a, oh, this is called the lunch pail, I guess. It says lunch pail on the back of the hang tag. So maybe it could be, but I would definitely carry it as a purse. It's in great condition other than that peeling on the inside. So I will look into that one and put a price on the screen. So that's a good item. And our next one is also a leather purse. And this is a beautiful color block tote. Perfect for spring and summer. It's a cream, and then you do have a tan, and then there's gray and yellow accents. And the front of this one looks pretty good. It has a Coach metal hang tag in silver. And it just needs a little bit of a wipe down with it being cream leather. It does have some areas of spillage on the back, but I think that will wipe off a lot of it. The leather is super soft, and there are a few marks on the bottom. So there probably will end up being a few marks on the back, but I think a lot of that will wipe off. And then you do have that cute little tassel charm on it. And then the yellow part is kind of a patent. And really nice handles. The handles look to be in great shape. They're really soft and sturdy. And then you do have a front zip pocket. And it is like a slate blue canvas interior. That's functioning. And then you also have a slip pocket. So nice area to put your phone. This one is $199.09. And the interior looks good. It needs a little bit of a vacuum out, but overall it's pretty clean in there. There's some slips, and then you have a zip pocket, 2 zip pockets and the slip. And then the top of the tote does have a zip closure. So let me make sure that that is functioning, and that runs very smoothly. So there's your top zip. And yeah, the corners look pretty good, just a little discoloration, but like the edging looks really nice. So this needs a cleaning, but it's a beautiful tote and in really nice condition. I love the colorway on that. So that's another great item. And we do have an accessory in here that's not purse related. Next up, we have another tote. And this is a beautiful teal blue. And this one also looks to be in good condition. It has silver hardware. And I'm not really seeing any exterior marks to note. It's really kind of soft and slouchy. There is a little discoloration and some smoothing of the leather on the corners. But overall, it is not bad. So this is another really nice item. The creed on this one is 38312, and it has a matching color canvas interior. And there are a few marks in there, but overall it looks to be fairly clean. And just kind of some residue there along the inside of the zipper track. But it does have the Coach monogram in there. And yeah, just a few faint spots, but nothing too bad. And this one does have a functional zipper that works really well. And the handles are in good shape. I don't see really any wear along the edge coat. So that's wonderful. And then you do have a front zip pocket. And that one, you unlock it with the turn lock, and then it zips open. And that looks to be really clean in there. And yeah, there might just be a couple faint marks on the outside, but nothing that's really noticeable. So this is another nice item. And this color really is something you could use year round. That is beautiful. And our last purse, we do have a black canvas crossbody. And this is from the Poppy collection. So it does have a zip front pocket. And this is black. And then it almost has kind of a bronzy tone to it in the light, but I think it is all black. And I don't see any rips on the canvas. It looks to be in good condition. And there's the back of it. And then you do have a strap that removes on one side. And it is just a fabric strap, but it is adjustable. And maybe just some loose strings there along the strap, but it's definitely fully functionable. And just some wear on that side as well. But it looks to be like it's in okay condition. And this one I don't see a creed on. There's the Coach Poppy tag, made in China. And there's definitely some interior marks, especially on the back there under the zipper. But the inside doesn't look too bad. It just needs a little bit of a wipe down. So maybe this style didn't have a creed with it being a small accessory, but I will look around. Sometimes there is just a white tag with the serial number also. So I'll look into that style and put a price on the screen. So that's something I probably would have preferred to get as the accessory because we just have one more item that is the accessory, and this is kind of a small purse. So that's a little bit disappointing, but maybe it'll comp well. So we'll just have to take a look at it. Our last item is a scarf, and it looks like this would go pretty well with this purse. Not the same color, but it really complements it nicely. So this is just a smaller size scarf. It does feel like silk. And I don't see any holes in it. It does have a little bit of fraying along the edges, but overall it looks to be in good condition. So this would be beautiful to hang off of a purse on the handles. It definitely gives it a awesome pop of color. You could even tie it around your wrist. So that's a nice accessory. I'm not upset about that at all. But I do think it would have been nice to get another larger purse since we had this, but overall everything was in really nice condition. So we had the Crossbody Coach Poppy canvas. We had the really pretty scarf. We had the gorgeous teal colored pebbled leather tote. Very, very soft. We had the color blocked tote. That was number 4. And then our last item was this really cool lunch tote, it's called, on the hang tag. So I'm really excited to look that one up. Overall, I think this was a really good box. It was missing a little bit of the wow factor with getting a older vintage piece. But since everything was in really good condition, I think I can definitely make a little bit of a profit on this one. So let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were, or if you had a favorite piece. I will be back on Thursday with a fun box, so make sure you come back and check that out, and next week for some more jewelry. So I will see you. Oh, here's Phoenix. He's going to say hello. We're going to record the fun box as soon as I'm done with this, so I will be wearing the same top. And he has been up a lot of the days, so he's trying to get a nap in, but there's been a lot going on. So he definitely wanted to say hello. So I will see you back on Thursday. I hope you have a great week.